Okay guys, I'm going to show you a really cool new feature that On Campus is offering for this year, which is Rubrics. And they are going to make my life a lot easier because I use Rubrics, and last year what I did is copied and pasted my Rubrics into the comments, and it was a whole giant saga. So we don't have to do that this year. It's pretty awesome. So here's how you do it. You go to My Day, and then what you're going to find is this new thing that says Rubrics. Lo and behold, you're going to click on it. So I already made one earlier. It was pretty easy actually, and I'm going to make a new one. So to make a new one, you click the plus button, and you're going to name it something. And so I'm going to make my research project rubric. Okay? Now there's a couple different things you can choose from to start with. Points means each category automatically has 1 point value. So you could just say they did it, they didn't do it. You know, it's 5 points or 0 points. That would be a good example. Or like the point range is what I'm going to choose. Or you can do comment only if you just want to do comments for each category. So that's up to you. I'm going to do range. Now here's an interesting thing here. You can associate your rubric with a specific grade. So if you're a 7th grade teacher and you want to share your rubric with the other 7th grade teachers, you can click on it right here and select, and it will be shared with the other 7th grade teachers. Or you can do it by department. So I teach in middle school parish arts and upper school parish arts. So I can go in here and click both of those, and that'll make it so people in middle school parish arts and upper school parish arts have access to my rubric. Okay? You can write a little blurb here if you so desire. Now, what I'm going to do here is just look at my old rubric and do some stealing. So I have it up here in another tab. And so my first topic is what I usually keep on this left side. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to put it here. Okay? Oh, just kidding. Not there. In my first skill. Okay? Now, I am going to do you can do a 4 category, or you can do a 3 category, or 2, however many you want to, so you can have, I'm going to do it not shown for my first one, and then I'm going to do needs improvement, developing, and fully developed. Okay? You can do whatever you want here. The great news is once you do this, it assumes you want to do this again for the next one, so you don't have to do it a billion times. And last but not, needs improvement, developing. Good job. Okay, so now here's the other cool thing is you can go in and write exactly what you're looking for this particular topic. So in mine here, I had already written out some things that I wanted dealt with. So I can put that right here if I want to. Or I can write in here, go back, and I can write in here, you know, however you want to break it down and put comments in there. Now I get to choose my point range and how much it's worth. So if I go back here, okay, this category is worth 15 points. So I'm going to put 15 here. I'm going to say this is from 11 to 15, 6 to 10, 1 to 5, and then they just didn't do it. And for whatever reason, it won't let me do 0 to 0, so I say 0 to 1. Great news. When you're done with that one, you're just going to say done with this skill, and you go ahead and work on your next one. So once you get the first one going, it goes a lot faster. So this one has a different point value, but that won't really make it too much harder. So I'm going to do the title here, and all I have to do is change my point values. So it's out of 30. Now I can do it 20 to 30. This. Right? And I'm done editing this skill. Now, here's the interesting thing. You can minimize these, which is kind of nice. It makes it less cluttered. And if you want to reorder them, you can do this. Okay? So, once you have it the way you want it, you can click Save to My Rubrics, and then you'll be able to access that in your assignments for any assignment you want to. So, there you go.